around 11,587 private higher and higher secondary schools and colleges affiliated with the Private Schools Regulatory Authority. Still, a considerable number is de-affiliated from this regulatory authority. What is that number? Of which province are we talking about, and what are the new protocols and new summary that is going to be devised by the Chief Minister in this regard? What are going to be the subsequent actions taken, and why at the first place the private higher and higher secondary schools are so adamant and reluctant to register themselves with PSRA, even though the registration fee is so nominal? Let's answer these questions of yours in today's session. In actual, the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa's private school regulatory authority is registered with around 11,587 higher and higher secondary schools and colleges in all over the province. Still, a considerable number, that is around 387 private schools. Yes, 387 higher and higher secondary schools or entities are de-affiliated and unregistered still with PSRA. But the fact is that they are still trying, and they have been taking they have been providing and taking the matriculation and intermediate examinations from their children, from their students. Once again, regardless of their de-affiliation from the main regulatory authority or regulatory body of the educational boards in the KP province. With the diagnosis of this problem, with this chronic problem, the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa's private school authority, regulatory authority on one hand, and the provincial authorities on the other hand, have taken an action against it. And now the high and higher secondary schools and entities that have been de-affiliated and were still trying their best to facilitate their students and take the intermediate and matriculation examinations from the main educational department, again keeping in context their de-affiliation and de-association with the main regulatory body was growing increasingly, and this problem was not being solved. But now, when the action has been taken, these schools and colleges will be held accountable, and they could face strict legal actions in this regard if they are not going to register themselves with this regulatory authority. The main purpose of these high and higher secondary schools of not registering themselves with this regulatory authority is actually to tackle and dodge the Federal Board of Revenue and the provincial revenue authorities, so not to give taxes on one hand and not to apply the implicable rules and regulations of minimum wages of their laborers that are working in these institutions. That's why this regulatory authority has now come into action, and they are waiting for this summary to be dispatched from the Chief Minister Khyber Pakhtunkhwa's office. So once it is dispatched, it shall be immediately implemented in its full form and spirit. Thank you.